everybody, welcome back to my channel again. I have albums to unbox. These are from Mercari. I bought some AgustD albums, and then I bought all of the Maxident photo cards for Stray Kids. And I got this from Walmart.com. I'm going to open this one first. This is the one I got from Walmart. This is the 5-star, I believe. Yeah, the 5-star digipack for changbin. It's a surprise one, so I didn't, you don't get to choose who it is. But they always send these cute little stickers, and then this little freebie card. I have Bang Chan already. This is what it looks like when you open it. Everything's on this side, and then the CD is in here. Oh, the CD's upside down. Interesting. Oh, this is what the CD looks like. Has his name on it. I like when the CDs have their names. So, 2 photo cards. But let's look at this first. I think this is the same. Yeah, this is the same for every album. And then the book with his picture, and I think it just has the lyrics. Oh, did I look at Chan's? I don't think I looked at Chan's. I zoomed you in a little bit, realized it was a weird angle. I think on this album, S-Class and Top Line are my favorite songs. I wasn't around when the album came out. I wasn't a stay. Didn't even listen to K-pop. But let's see what photo cards I got. Oh, Han. I actually just bought this. I didn't realize it was from this. I just bought this on Mercari like 2 weeks ago. IN! See, I never pull IN, so that's really exciting. Lately, I have been. I think this is a dupe, so or did I pull him? I'm gonna have to look. I feel like I bought him from Mercari last week. What the heck just happened? These are all the photo cards I got from Mercari for Maxident. Because I was on a hunt, and then somebody was selling every single photo card. And I was like, I need to have it. I don't think, I think it's just like the regular album cards, not like the accordions. Yeah, so let's go through them. First up, some stickers. Those are really cool. Oh, there's more. Oh, I like that. Why does this look like a temporary tattoo? Why does it look like tattoos, not stickers? Thank you so much for ordering from me. I hope your package arrives quickly and safely. Please let me know when it does. So there's their name, Mellow Leaf. I don't know if you guys have iPhones, but I'm filming with my iPhone. I have an iPhone 16 Pro Max, and that camera, I don't know if it's just iPhones in general, but I hate this camera. It goes in and out between 2 different settings, and it's so annoying. Here's Chan. Lino, Benny. Okay, what album is this one from? Heart. That took me way too long to realize. Hyunjin. I did buy a ton of these, so my sister's buying these dupes for me. So I have all of the Hans already, but they're just so cute. Felix. Seungmin. IN. I don't know why it's going blurry. What is going on? IN. Now we're on to the next stack, or the next album, which is the Tea Crush. So it's the album with the bubbles on the front. That's cute. The outside photos. Chan. Lino. Oh, Changbin. Hyunjin. Oh, I love this picture of Han. Felix. Oh, Seungmin. IN. I love those pictures. So the next one, oh, it's the wavy one, the Go. Chan, Lino, changbin, hyunjin, Felix. I love this. Oh my gosh, seungmin. I love this one of seungmin. Oh, look at that. Ian. So those are all the Maxident cards that I bought. I believe I spent like $60 and then about $5 for shipping. I think it's worth it. It evens out to like $2.50 a card if you don't add the shipping into it. This package is what I have been waiting for like 2 to 3 weeks. I think it's been 3 weeks at this point. These are my AgustD items, or items. Oh my god. They used a lot of tape. Oh, they said that they were all sealed. Everything is still in there. Yeah, so this is version 2, and this was a version 1. So let's open this one first. I'm so excited. I love AgustD. It's Suga from BTS. It took me way too long to realize that they were the same person. How do I open this? How do I open it? Don't worry, it just slides. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh, the photo cards. I don't want to see them. I'm just flipping that over. Okay. We'll start from this way. Here's the CD. Here's a big poster. Oh. Oh, I think these are stickers. Ooh. The lyric book, which I have upside down. Wow. I saw these on Walmart.com for like $20 a piece, and then I found both of these for $20 together. I don't know what this is. Does this go in here? Did I do it right? Oh. I don't know if I did it right. Does it matter what way it goes? Does it move? Is it supposed to move? Oh. Oh, it does a little. Okay. I love this. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wait for the photo cards until I open the next one. Okay, a survey. And then this must be the photo book. Wow. I don't even know what to say. I'm so excited. There's just so many words going through my head. I love AgustD. Oh. I love these pictures. Alright, let's look at version 2 and let's see how different these are. I don't know what the photo cards are supposed to look like. I didn't look up anything. I wanted to just be surprised. So I don't know if this will be the same way, like the same, like here's the book. Okay, so the poster's different. Here is the poster. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my wall. Stickers, I think they're the same stickers. Same lyric book. Oh, this is different. Let's see, was I doing this right? I don't know if it's shiny side up or shiny side down. I don't know. I'm gonna have to mess with this and figure it out because this is really cool. Ooh, I like that one. So we got this one in version 1 and this in version 2. I feel like my phone does not want me to film today because I ran out of storage. So I think I was saying that these two, I feel like you buy version 1, you're always gonna get this. Maybe he had signed versions and this is what was signed. I'll have to look that up. I would love a signed version. Also, I'm really happy that BTS is back. You have no idea. Let's go to the photo cards before my phone decides to stop filming. So this is from version 1. I don't know what these are gonna look like. I'm so excited. Ah! Oh, I like that one. It's like 2 different personalities right there. Ooh, I like that one. Okay, I'm really happy with these. I'm gonna look up more and see if there's different ones and probably buy them. I'm not gonna lie. I would love to have all of the ones from his albums. Anyway, that is all I have for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in my next one. Bye!